Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on measurement, specifically converting feet to inches. I'm Mr. Camilleri. This is the Mr. Camilleri Show. So our first example, we have 4 feet. We have to figure out what that equals in inches. So I'm going to go over the conversion rules for how to do that. So 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. 1 foot equals 12 inches. The IN is the abbreviation for inches. The FT is the abbreviation for feet. So knowing that, how can we figure out how much inches 4 feet is? If 1 foot equals 12 inches, how can we use that to figure out how much 4 feet is? Well, pretty simple. Whatever the number of feet is, you have to multiply that by 12. 1 times 12 equals 12. 1 foot equals 12 inches. So to determine what 4 feet equals in inches, we have to multiply 4 times 12. So the rule for converting feet to inches is multiply by 12. Multiply by 12. That is our rule. So let's put that rule into practice. 4 times 12. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 1 equals 4. And our answer is 48. So 4 feet is equal to 48 inches. All right, next example. Example number 2 now. We have 2 feet. What does that equal in inches? So to find our answer, whatever the number of feet is, we have to multiply that by 12. Since we have 2 feet here, we're going to multiply 12 times 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 1 times 2 equals 2. And our answer is 24. 2 feet converted to inches would equal 24 inches. All right. Next example. 9 feet. We have to figure out what 9 feet equals in inches. Oh, equal sign. Let me put an equal sign here. There we go. So we have to multiply 9 times 12. Hang on, let me write that a little neater. Neatness matters. All right. 12 times 9. 2 times 9 equals 18. 8 carry the 1. 1 times 9 equals 9. Plus 1 equals 10. And we have our final answer. 9 feet equals 108 inches. So I'm not going to make a statement or say something just to get you to sub. If you want to sub, great, happy to have you. If you do not want to sub, then you don't have to sub. But if you're going to sub because you want to. If you're going to subscribe, you subscribe because you want to subscribe. You don't try. I'm not going to say something to get you to subscribe. If you want to subscribe, great. If you don't want to subscribe, that's okay too. I'm glad you're here, though. I'm glad you're watching. I appreciate you being here watching. Next example. All right. 24 feet. We got to figure out what that equals in inches. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for subbing. So to figure out what 24 feet equals in inches, because since 1 foot equals 12 inches, we have to multiply 24 times 12. So we'll start out by multiplying the two digits in the ones place. 4 times 2 equals 8. 2 times 2 equals 4. Now we got to multiply the top two digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Somebody in the chat, I think, wrote in the answer. I think they're right. We're going to see if they're right. I have a feeling they are. Now, because we already multiplied both digits in the ones place, we got to put a 0 in the ones place. 4 times 1 equals 4. 2 times 1 equals 2. So to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 4 plus 4 also equals 8. And 0 plus 2 equals 2. Turns out the person in the chat was correct. 24 times 12 equals 288. 24 feet equals 288 inches. All right, I'm going to do one more example. Seven feet. I got to figure out what that equals in inches. So we have to multiply 7 times 12 to find our answer. I was thinking of using a different method of multiplication, but you know what? That'll make it confusing. 12 times 7. Either way, you got it. However, whether you use the multiplication method I've been using, whether you use the partial product method or the area model, you still got to multiply 12 times 7. Either way you do, you got to multiply 12 times 7. So I'll just keep doing it the standard way. All right. 2 times 7 equals 14. 4 carry the 1. 1 times 7 equals 7, plus 1 equals 8. And our answer is 84. 12 times 7 equals 84. 7 feet is equal to 84 inches. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Shout out to everybody, especially in the chat. Somebody in the chat really complimented my intelligence, and they said that I might be a rocket scientist. I appreciate that, but I'm just a math teacher. I am not a rocket scientist. I'm just a math teacher that's trying to do the little things correctly, trying to do the little things at the most elite level possible. All right, but I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. But that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.